Chandigarh, Pune,
Wow.
Bombay.
People are calling you.
Because she's like, you doing something with your life? Never thought.
And well paying?
Was I a grade A student?
Never.
You want to say something nice about me?
How come you haven't found a girl of your kind?
Alright, today I've stepped out to see my English teacher from Doon School, Mrs. Jasbir Kaur Anand. And of course, the way I speak, I owe a lot of it to her because she was relentless with us speaking better and she would roast us. And it was just such fun banter back and forth. We could give it back to her, she gave it back to us all the time. So anyway, that healthy roasting culture came from there. And we studied Macbeth and Julius Caesar with her properly. So brilliant experience. I haven't met her in a while. And ever since the followers have grown, I think she wanted to meet me even more. Because she's like, you doing something with your life? Never thought that would happen, right? So just gonna go pick her up from her house. Then we're gonna head to a cafe called Razmataz or Razmataz, however you pronounce it, in Dalanwala. Never been there, but coffee piyange, and that's pretty much the afternoon. It's 1 p.m. Paat put kar liya main, and I'll show you how that goes. So now we're entering this area called Race Course in Dehradun. It's a pretty nice area, wide roads, and as per my limited knowledge, a lot of Sikh community finds itself out here, and there's also a very popular Gurdwara Sahib here, and this is where we come every New Year's. So every New Year's Eve we'll be at this Gurdwara Sahib and bringing in the New Year. It's just something we do. We don't go to the clubs on 31st. If we wanna like chill and kick back or party, that's gonna happen on the 1st. But 31st we're all at the Gurdwara, and this is Race Course. So naturally it's gotten more congested, but because this is the main road. But now if I take a left for JK's house, that road is better. It's sort of a semicircle. I'll just show you. So we're gonna take a left from here. Just so congested. This used to be far better earlier. But anyway, we take a left. And now this gets quieter, I reckon. Not that quiet, but okay. Wide roads for sure. So where I live, the roads are pretty narrow. It's like a 30-foot road, right? But this one's nice. But naturally, once you're living in such a place, everyone's up your business. Like, what is he doing? Oh, ki kar rahi hai? Oh, kitte ja rahi hai? And all of that. So pros and cons, baby. What sort of laptop is it?
It's
been a while to that laptop now. I think
my son says he'll send one, but I'm saying no idea. Who'll do all the transfer? Now my classes are going on.
Where are you teaching now?
Online, all over.
Like you are guiding students with literature, Macbeth and
Left
stuff.
jana acha?
Right.
Huh?
Right. We shall
congestion.
read.
There's no police wala.
Yeah, it's
Obviously.
mad congestion.
This is Dehradun. Dehradun is losing its charm every night.
It's lost
there's
its
some-
charm already.
Everyone, there's an accident. Look at the hills. Look at the disaster. My God. On Teachers' Day?
It's Teachers' Day today?
No, it's on the 5th. Today's the 1st.
Okay.
Those course barely remember. It's the Vellum boys who send hampers. Can you imagine? It's for the past so many years. They've got a group of ex-teachers. And the guy who's in charge of the Vellum Boys Society.
Right.
They get together, and depending upon which part of the world you are in, they have boys all over.
Yeah, Vellamots usually behave better.
No, they send you the Old Boys Association office. They track every teacher.
Wow, we are stuck, baby. Look at that. Insane. We are so stuck.
He's doing it.
There is absolutely nowhere else to go.
Police wala also.
No police wala. Okay, tell me, how does a child start to speak better? Because we guys spoke decent English back then, but how do you go to the next
Without even having
level?
an English-speaking background, at home it was Punjabi. And the Agarwals and the Guptas and the Goyals all speak Hindi at home.
Yeah, we also speak Hindi at home because we grew up here.
Not speaking Punjabi? Is this from your savings?
So we did something interesting. We made a deposit. From entirely mine.
Minting money?
Yes, the digital space as such, it tends to pay. Yes.
And even the little workshops, what are you holding? You're guiding people in investing. I saw one of your videos, the boardroom meeting, and you said, I never thought I'd be here.
Yeah.
Something a little snippet, but that's not normally in your everyday car. That's something separate?
That's all separate.
Left.
That stuff happens in New Delhi, Chandigarh, Pune,
Wow.
Bombay.
People are calling you?
People sometimes call me, sometimes I organize it myself.
And well paying?
Oh, 100%. If it's now well paying, I don't step out of my house. Because see, I did something for free. It was called the Chardi Kala Challenge, okay?
Yeah.
Where I wanted to guide people build a more disciplined life, free of cost. So it was going to be a whole Zoom webinar, and I was sharing a digital journal. So I was doing a lot of mehnat from my end. 5,000 people registered because it's free, right? But on the day of the webinar, only 50 showed up. So I'm like, people don't value something that's been given out for free.
Where was this? Online.
This was completely online.
Ah.
So I'm like, okay, you know what? Screw it. We're just going to do paid stuff. And paid stuff, people actually are sincere.
Because they paid.
They've paid.
Make an appearance.
They make an appearance and then they are concentrating and they want to make a change in their lives.
Commitment. I learned that.
Yeah. So free of cost, kuch bhi kar lo tusi. No one's going to appreciate
I used to
you.
go to the school at the back of my thing, attached to the Gurdwara.
Okay.
Where most of the maids and Mali's kids are there.
Okay.
And there were girls in 9th, 10th, 11th when I taught them English and wrote on the board and taught them how to speak.
Yeah.
I could see the stars in their eyes. They wanted to become police officers, they wanted to become fashion designers, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
But then after a month or so, they were bunking classes. And the principal was so sweet. She walked into the room with me and told them, you don't realize the value. She's come from blah, 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 blah. And she's here. We're not paying her a pie and you're not being charged whatever fees your parents are giving. There's no fees, of course. It's a free school. Kuch paise nahi lag rahe. But yet, kids refuse to value. So my son said, Ma, there's no sense.
That's human psychology. No one's going to value something that's for free.
That's sad. That's sad. So even now, when I happen to teach someone I say cannot sort of fund it, I say give me some little tokens because there should be energy flowing both ways. Both ways energy flow.
You're right. Energy flow. I like that. So next time I'm going to be like, my fee for your energy flow is going to be $50,000. How about that? Energy flow. Make the energy flow, baby.
Bas kar, aage tak chala.
So if a cop pulls me over, I'll be like, you want some energy flow?
Stand here and then you can see the light, the electric circuit. Son, where is your little map guiding you now?
Straight. It's right here on the screen.
So this is totally your earnings?
Yeah. So we did something interesting actually.
Your father talks about saving and
Yeah, that's what we went his way. Although I was not willing to go his way.
Yesterday, the day before, he was advising your sister to buy a house. You must have a house of your own.
No, my sister actually. That was my clients. 4 of them had come down from all over the country.
I couldn't see them. I couldn't
Yeah,
hear
because
them.
I didn't want their privacy to be violated all that much.
It was your father talking.
Yeah,
And he said, 2, 3, jehte, jisse matlab ek to hona chahiye. Your father.
Oh, there's a beautiful road, JK. Now we're on the right track, right? So Dalanwala is where the British lived back in the day.
It's where Vellum boys and Vellum girls is.
Yeah, that I'm aware of. Who's not aware of such prestigious institutions like Vellum Girls?
How come you haven't found a girl of your kind?
How come I haven't found a girl?
Or a girl hasn't found you?
Girls have found me, but I think when it's his wish, the Almighty's wish, it's just gonna click
You
and
can't
it's
sit
gonna
back and
happen.
twiddle your thumbs and say, leaving it all to the Almighty.
I don't. I believe in active effort and human
You do
agency.
it hard, then the Lord above helps you. It's not just
It's more like Jo hai tera lab jayega, right? It's sort of that.
See, it's his
But
way.
yeah. So yeah, this is a very interesting question.
He takes you there.
What is so Sikhi believes everything is subject to the divine will, yes? But what sort of percentage is divine will versus human agency?
Share home.
What percentage is divine will versus human agency? Hard work versus destiny. What percentage would you give it?
99% this is Shaw, Bernard Shaw. 99% is sweat and 1% is genius. But that is genius.
That's Bernard Shaw, now. What does he know, man?
Uh.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji would argue the opposite. Okay, there I see a board. Raz Mataz. What's the name? What's the meaning?
I don't know. Their daughters are Velamites.
Oh, they are?
They are also Velamites.
What's their name? Do I know them?
Meri baat. Must be your batchmates only. Are you going to the right place?
Yeah, otherwise this gentleman would have stopped us, na?
Seeing your swanky car, no one will stop you. Yeah.
That is so true. And seeing you, they will be like, Pradhan Mantri aa gaye ne aaj.
Just keep it. No parking, it says, and you remove the board.
He better.
The banner.
I'm with Her Majesty today.
मेरी बात सुन. वो कहाँ जगह ढूंढ रहा है? There's no place. Into the personal private. वाह, shed ले तेरे के लिए छोड़ रखा है. उनका private shed.
I mean, JK, they saw you, and that is why they're like, you know what, we're gonna make. Alright, what a stunning property though. Gotta give it to them. Shall we park here?
Will be able to pull it out?
What do you think? The pull-out game has to be strong. Let's go. I did not fail as a lawyer.
You said there are no cases. It's best to come out.
I was working with someone. There were the plethora of cases. Yo, that looks good actually, doesn't it? Thank you, boss. Gangster. Boom. What a beautiful overcast morning in Dehradun. Afternoon. You want to say something nice about me? Why are you speechless? You're never rendered speechless.
No, I'm not.
You're never that
did I
soft-spoken either.
I'm at a loss.
You're at a loss for words? Never has that happened, but okay. Quote, empty vessels make the most noise. Yeah, I've used it so much.
I've used it on you.
You've used it on me repeatedly. That's why you've imbibed it. You know, you are somebody that can kill a man's morale. You called us empty vessels.
You realize I didn't kill your morale.
You built
I've
it up.
inspired you, yes. That's
Yes,
where
you have. That's why we're
in a way,
dining.
I'm responsible for where you are.
100%.
I'm glad you
In a way you are. In a way you are. And you were so intimately connected with us, and you roasted us and we roasted you back, and all the banter and the fun stuff.
It's led you to where you are today.
100%, 100%. Yeah, teachers are the closest thing after parents, I think, in shaping a
I
person's
think
life.
in a boarding school, the parents take backseat.
100%. In a boarding school, yes.
Because you are there with us most of the time.
Yeah, 100%. It is my good fortune that I sat in your class. आज तो JK को ऐसी नींद आएगी ना, घोड़े बेच के.
You're so mean.
Chalo G, let's go. Let's walk. Yeah, careful. Was I a grade A student?
Never.
What? I scored very well. What are you talking?
That's not the point. Nah, at the end
People
of the
keep
day,
asking me, left. We parked there. People keep asking me, Karan, how do you speak so well? And I take your name. Perhaps I shouldn't.
Second thoughts? You can go and delete the old videos.
Yeah.
And think of a new teacher who inspired you and mentored you.
Yeah, I have a name in my head already.
I can guess.
The one without the pen.
Get lost.
You see,
Get
now
lost.
when we walk to the car, it's going to open up itself.
Big deal.
Come.
It's a heavy door.
Could it be any more?
I should have had a full meal to open the door.
All right. Ladies all settled in. Yeah, but it looks kind of beautiful, doesn't it?
It's a beautiful because it's raining now. Everything is in light.
Yeah, it's vivid.
Greenery.
And plus, my company, of course, has enhanced everything.
The home has to creep in.
The homme, the hubris, the conceit, the vanity, the pride. You have more synonyms? The arrogance. It's like we're walking around with a thesaurus. How would you rate your lunch today?
More than the lunch is the company.
I know, right? So the company's 10 on 10. The lunch was 4 on 10.
Okay. But then I was hungry and so I ate.
Okay, JK, any closing comments? There's like 1,000 people or more watching you right now.
It's been a delight to be with you. No, I mean it.
Such soft-spoken behavior does not suit you, JK.
Oh, you want to see me in my...
Element. Yeah.
You're still the same old Karan.
Did we ever give
I
you
guess.
heartburn in school?
Over what?
Over however we behave?
See, I guess you're the best person to answer that. You know for yourself.
I don't think
You've
we
been
gave you
making so many
heartburn.
confessions saying you hardly studied in class. You were never there in your...
Yeah, I was connecting with the divine.
Karan, just shut up, okay?
Yeah, well, beautiful lunch, JK.
Thank you so
let's
much for
meet
treating
again.
me.
Let's meet again.
Provided you have the time. You're a busy man now.
Like I said, I always have the time for you. You see, in life, no one's that busy
Karan, that's humbled me.
that they can't take out time for you, that they can't text you back. It's all about priorities. Even if you're Pradhan Mantri, if you want to meet someone, you'll carve the time out.
Exactly.
It's about the will, baby.
But
Isn't
I'm
it?
impressed with your knowledge of the Bani and probably the way you're trying to implement it in your daily life.
Yeah, I'm trying. I mean, I have a long way to go.
That's why I use the word trying.
Yeah.
But then that little element of ego has to go.
Conceit, pride, homme, arrogance, vanity,
Arrogance.
hubris. Give me some new words now to use.
I've given you all these. They're
No,
all in your
these I'm
subconscious.
aware of. But I wanna get new words to use in front of people.
Okay, then you better take classes. Remember, you still owe me dues.
JK, would you actually give me classes? What do you say? Like improve my...
Karan, if I have the time.
Why?
I'm not putting up the price. My price, rather. It's just that.
It's not about the price, but you should make time for ex-students, right? Who want to
Yeah.
level up still. You see, an average adult after the age of 18 stops working on their grammar, on their English, right? Vocab. So again, we're stuck.
But not you, you're doing it. You've probably taken up that line where you are building up on your vocabulary.
Yeah. So yeah, anyway, this was a beautiful, beautiful lunch. We're gonna do it again. And you're right, Uncle G didn't realize it was us.
Exactly, gave him a surprise.
It did. We just met Uncle G and we surprised him. But yeah, beautiful. We are back at Racecourse and we drop the lady off and go home. It's been a
Thank you
good
so
day.
much for the wonderful experience.
Thank you, JKA. It's my honor.
Somewhere down the line, it's just same old Karan.
Somewhere. The same old Karan Church was childlike. See, there's a difference between childish and childlike.
Exactly.
Childish is more
You
negative.
were never childish.
It's more childlike.
You're more of a crook, a
A
scoundrel.
crook, a scoundrel, a rascal. Chalo, theek hai, thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Let's drop you off. Can, but I also take yours.
The
Yeah.
car gifted by Karan.
Oh, it looks good. You're looking good. All right, perfect. It's a beautiful photo. You're very photogenic, by the way. I must
Listen.
add. Look at
The
this.
car gifted by Karan, I said. No response.
It's all yours, as long as you drive it.
Take a selfie. I've learned how to drive. Make me look good, okay?
Oh, look. So good. Yeah. Okay, I'll send you all the photos.
Where?
When I reach home, the photos will reach you.
No,
And-
after you reach home.
After I
Don't do it
reach
on the
home.
way.
And tomorrow, the videos.
On YouTube?
No, I'll send them personally to you first.
Oh, thank you so
Take
much
care.
for
Take
being
care.
so
Sat
good.
Shri Akal. Yes.
Long overdue.
Yeah. Okay, long overdue.
Now drive carefully.
Yes, of course.
UK HD.
HD, yeah.
You're not like the Siddharth who says always have it.
No, this is only, we have 9192, 9293, 9394, 9495.
All your girls?
Yeah.
9394, 94, 9390.
9192, 9293, 9394, 9495.
How did you manage?
This is damn easy. You have to pay 200 rupees or something.
Only?
This is not a special number. But my first car, the black car, is 0493, my school number. I was so excited about school. Now I'm not so excited.
So no, let's hope we see at Founders, meet at Founders.
We shall. No, we'll go for lunch at President. I'll take you out.
Bas karna,
I'll have
jana,
beer if you don't
jana,
mind.
pana, so long as it's only beer.
Yeah. And you'll have one as well. Bye. Okay, fine. Non-alcoholic drink. Bye. God bless you. Take care. Whew. Let us go. And she's like, "Dhyan naal chalai gaddi." These sensors really help maneuver the car here and there. They are helpful. Bye. It's long, yeah. So sweet. So anyway, if you think I speak well, it's all because of this woman. And if you think I might have some wit, may have been acquired from her, but what a beautiful, gorgeous woman. We'll take her out for lunch once again to Hotel President, which she says is the OG and she enjoys it. But that said, I hope you enjoyed a bit of my life through my lens, and I'ma see you later, alligator. ठीक है? And the YouTube videos hopefully will be more consistent. Stay safe until then. Let me know what your favorite part was about the video, and as always, my website is in the description. Ciao, and give lots of love to your elders and your parents and spend time with them today. Also, one thing before we end, you see this light fogging up. I don't know why this happens. It shouldn't be happening. It doesn't happen on any of the other cars. And this light is fogging up as well. Like this is usually when you get a fake light or something, right? But I don't know if it's happening with all Mercedes models. The lights behind are not fogging up. So I don't know. We'll figure this out.